This is how you're going to get the QR code from the Salesforce Authenticator. You can get the QR code during the initial setup process for connecting your Salesforce account to the Salesforce Authenticator mobile app. Step 1, you're going to log in to Salesforce via your desktop browser. Now from here, you're going to head over to your personal settings. So to do that, you're going to click on your profile picture or icon right here at the right side or at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, you're just going to click on settings from the drop down. Now, once you're on your settings, you're going to click on your personal information. Just make sure that you have this collect or selected, and then from here you're going to click on advanced user details right here. Now once you're on your advanced user details, you're going to scroll down until you find app registration Salesforce Authenticator right here. So you will be able to see this app registration Salesforce Authenticator, and then you're going to just click on connect or connect a new application depending on what shows in your app. Now from here, Salesforce Authenticator is going to send you an email as a verification code. So you're just going to head over to your email, and then we're going to click on this email, and then we're going to copy the verification code that Salesforce have sent us, and then we're going to paste it right here at this blank, and then we're going to click on verify. Now you're going to install the Salesforce Authenticator on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play, and then open the Salesforce Authenticator and add your account. Now this shows a two-word phrase. You're going to have to enter the two-word phrase right here. So this one is actually one way to do it, but as you can see, it doesn't show you the QR code. So another thing that you can do in order for you to surely get the QR code is, again, we're going to head back to Salesforce, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to head over to personal, and then we're going to go to the advanced user details. So I'm just going to head back to our Salesforce account, and then make sure that when we're in our advanced user details, again, we're going to scroll down, and then you will be able to see this one-time password authenticator. You're going to try that instead of the other one, and then you will be able to see this QR code right here. Now, again, if it doesn't work from the Salesforce Authenticator app registration, you can just head over to this Authenticator app, and that's it. This app will provide a verification code, and all you have to do is you're going to paste the verification code right here and then click on connect, and that's it. That is how you're going to get the QR code for the Salesforce Authenticator. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.